Alrighty, we have an update here at the 300 East Street grade crossing on the BNSF Mendota Sub in Neponset, Illinois. As you can see, new foundations are in on both sides here, right next to the existing signals. Looks like they got all the conduit buried in all four quadrants. So from my perspective, it looks like they're going to be remounting these signals onto the new foundations. I've not seen any evidence yet that there are new signals sitting around here for this and 450 East. But I could be wrong. I'd say there's like a 5% chance that BNSF decides to replace these signals, but that'd be incredibly stupid, given that these were installed just a year ago. Over to this side. New foundation here. So yeah, almost certainly BNSF is going to be remounting these existing signals. And likely what they'll do is they'll just leave them as is. They might replace the 12 by 20 inch lights on them. And then that signal they'll add a GS Type 3 to it. But other than that, they'll basically be about the same as they are currently. I got an eastbound approaching soon, so I'll get a video here before all the work happens. But yeah, hopefully this work will be done soon so I can confirm what they're doing. And yeah, I'll do an update video at that point.